Hello and welcome to the channel. AQA, as you can see behind me there. GCSE Maths Foundation paper 3 this time, calculator paper from June 2018. Okay, so we go. See what we can make of this one. Use a calculator. Now, hang on, I've gone too far. Number 2. Number 1, circle the value 7 in the digit 9.17. Is it not a tenth? It's 100, so it's 7 hundredths. 3x equals 2, therefore x equals 2 divided by 3. Which of these shapes has no lines of symmetry? This one here. Yeah, I can't make crosses that way, so we go for A. Number 4, circle the shortest length. Right, so we've got millimeters, meters. Ooh. What are we going to change it all to? 110. So that's 130 meters. That's 12 meters. And what's this? Centimeters. Yeah, that's 140 meters. So it looks like that 12. Yeah, so it's the 12. Shade 2/5 of this on the grid. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a fifth of 10 is that. And then 2/5 is that. So 2/5 of the whole thing will be that. 2/5 of 20. Yeah, a fifth of 20 is 4, so it's 8. Shade 10%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 20 altogether. 10% is going to be just 2 of them. Right, Saj, good old Saj. Saj wants to go to all 19 home games at a football club. Don't forget to subscribe. He didn't say that, I did. For each game, a ticket costs £28. A season ticket costs that and gives entry to all 19 games. How much did he say? Well, you've got 19 home games times 28. See how much that is. Why did I write 12? I don't know. 19 times 28. That's going to cost him £532. Now, if he buys a season ticket, he can spend 379. So take that away. Take away 379. That's going to give him 153. So £153 saving. Link the algebra to the correct description. Ooh, all sorts of things, yeah? Identity. I can't see an identity in there because that's got three lines in the middle. Oh, it's not come out on the thing. That's supposed to be an identity. Okay. Right, okay, so we've got inequality is that sort of thing there. An expression doesn't do anything at all, just no equal signs at all. Now, difference between a formula and an equation. An equation is number. The formula is that. So there you go. That's that one. Didn't come out clearly on the thing. Jim has 6 banknotes. The value of each note is 5, 10, or 20. He can make £20 with 3 notes. He can make £50 with 4 notes. He cannot make £25 with 3 notes. He cannot make £20. List all the 6 notes. So he can make £20 with 3 notes. So that's either going to be a 10, a 5, and a 5. Yeah, that's got to be. There's no other way of doing that. Yeah. He can make £55 with 4 notes. So, maybe 20, 40, 50, 55 with 4 notes. He cannot make £25 with 3 notes. 10, 10 and 5. He cannot make, oh, this is a puzzle. He cannot make, let's see, he can make £20 with 3 notes. Is there a way of making £20 with 3 notes? 5. He can make £20 with 3 notes, which has got to be that, hasn't it? So he cannot make, so if you've got a 10, 5 and 5, so if we use the same one there, so far he's got a 20, whoops, a 20, a 20, he can use his 10, he can use his 5, he needs another 5, doesn't he? So he only needs 10, so 20, 40, he cannot make £25 with 3 notes, so we can't have another tenner. There. So can't have another tenner. He cannot make £25 with 4 notes. So 10, 20, so not a 5, so he must have another £20. He must have another £20. Oh, this is complicated. So it's 20, 20, 20, 10, 5, and 5. Yeah. A bit of a complicated. Right, so what we've got now, the music app. As a shuffle play function, this means that the songs are played in random order without repeating. Ruth puts 10 songs on shuffle play. One of them is her favourite song. What's the probability the favourite song plays first? Well, 1 in 10. 1 in 10. Ted puts songs A, B and C on shuffle. List all the possible orders of A, B, C. So you could have A, C, B, and then you could have B, B, A, C, or B, C, A, or C, A, B, or C, B, A. So I think there's 6. There's 6 without repeating itself. Number 10. Here's a scale drawing of the Burj Khalifa of Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel is a height of 130. Work out the height of the building. So what are we going to do there? We're going to go across there. You'd measure this, wouldn't you? So maybe that's there. So that's 130. That's 260. Now another one. 390. Maybe another one there. Another 130 is 490, 520. Another one there. 650. And maybe another 20 or so. I don't know, another 20. 670 maybe. I'd measure that. Maybe these are not quite long enough. So if I measure with a ruler, that will give me the idea, yeah. Because I can't just make this up. I can't just make this up. On my thing, alright, what I'm measuring there is the Ferris wheel is about 2 centimeters tall, yeah. So that's about 2 centimeters, and the whole of this Burj Khalifa thing is 11, yeah. That's 11 centimeters tall. So 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So I need 5.5 times 130. 5.5 times 130. Well, that's 715. I was even further out there. Maybe that's not 11, is it? Yeah, I reckon 11 and 2. 5.5. 5 times. I'll go for 715. I think this might be a bit smaller than that, but you'd measure it on a piece of paper. So it's just the height of that measured, the height of that measured, and multiply it up. Oh, Jo has a cup of coffee. She drinks some of it. Half of the coffee is still in the cup because 5 is in it. No. Oh, tick the box. No. Top half has larger volume. The takeaway sells 10-inch pizzas and 12-inch pizzas. Here's some information. Week 1, Week 2 total. Week 2. In each week, a proportion of the pizzas sold were 10-inch. Which proportion was greater? So the first week, you got 512 out of 743. Yeah. So 512 divided by 743.6. I'll multiply that by 100. Yeah. To get times by 100 to get a percentage equals 69% in that week. And what here? 10-inch pizzas. 10-inch pizzas. Yeah. So we've got 758 out of 1065 times 100. So 758 divided by 1065 times 100 is 71%. Yeah, 71%, near enough. So which week was the proportion greater? Week 2. Week 2. Let me go through to the next. Oh, so many different methods. So many different methods. Okay. 12b. The table shows the profit or loss the takeaway makes on each pizza. A 10-inch, £3.74 profit. Offer price, they make a loss of 51. The 12-inch, they make a profit or a loss. In week 1, the total profit was 1895.55. At the end of week 1, the takeaway spent 175 on adverts. What was the increase in profit in week 2 more than the cost? Was the increase in profit? What's his offer? At the end of week 1, the takeaway spent 170. Was the increase in profit in week 2 more than the cost of the adverts? So how did we work out this 1895 for week 1? Do we need to know how many we sold? Oh, offer. We've got some information up there. Week 1. Was the increase in profit in week 2 more than the cost of the adverts? So in week 2, we sold 396 normal 10-inch. I'm going to have to keep going up and down here. So week 2, we sold 396 times 374. Yeah. And hang on. I made the week on the special offer with 362. So then we did 362 times 51p. That's a loss. Yeah. So let's do that. 396 times £3.74. So we made 148104 of that. And we did 396 times 0.51. I'll keep it in pounds. So we lost 201.96 on the special offers. So if I take one away from the other, so if we do 1481.04, that just means we made a profit. Oh, that's the same one. Take away 201.86. So 1279. So made 1279.08. 10-inch profit. Okay, so now we do the 12 inches. So we've got 5.29 and 4p loss. So how many 12 inches did we sell in week 2? Normal 164, offer 143. So normal 164, 143. Okay, so 164 times £5.29 is 867.51, 56, sorry. And then we're going to take away that one. So 143 times 0.04, £5.72. So £5.72. Take those away. So 867.56. Take away £5.72, which means on the 12-inch pizzas we made 816.84 on the 12-inch profits. Right, let's add the two profit numbers together. So we got 1279.08 and 816.84. This is a long question, yeah. So 1279.08 add 816.84. So we made in week 2 $2,095.92 profit. Week 2. Okay, now in total the profit for week 1 was that. So take away that 1895.55. So take away 1895.55 equals £200. £200, 37 more profit than week 1. Right, was the increase in profit week 2 more than the cost of the adverts? Adverts were 175. Adverts 175. So yes. Don't know whether I've got these numbers right. So many numbers on this. Total week 2 profit, total 1 profit, and the cost of the adverts. Total 2. $2,070. I haven't got any of these numbers on here. 1890, 1883. So close. Yeah, this is I've got like £25 more, but I don't think these numbers are right. So let's have a look at see where I've gone wrong, because I obviously have. 396,374 was 1481, yes. 362.51 is 18. Oh, that's the wrong number. 362 times 51. 362 times 0.51 is 184. 362 times 0.14 is 184. Yeah, so that, hang on, that now is a different number. Okay. It might be I just got that little bit wrong. So I've got 184.62. So if I do 1481.04 minus 184.62, that number comes out at 1296. 1296.42. So that's this number needs to be changed now, and also that one, and that's going to be different. So I've got 1296.42. Take away, or am I adding? No, I'm adding. Yeah, because adding the two pizzas together. So add 816.84, 816.84. That's 2113. Even that's not right, is it? 816. 1296.42. So add them together is 2113.26. Okay, so the difference between these two now is take away 1895.55 is 21771. 21771. So advert's 175. I still haven't got that number right, have I? 21. Maybe they've done it a different way. 21771. Total profit week 2. Can't see how that is wrong. I'm taking too much time on this one. So you do yes. So I've got all those numbers right. They've just done it a different way. Oh, let me know. Make a comment. Yeah, this was too long, this question. Sort of got fed up with it by the time I got to the end. A car travels 3.5 miles in 5 minutes. Right. I work out the average speed, miles per hour. So we've got the speed, distance, time thing. So we've got to work out the speed equals the distance over the time. So this is miles per minute. So if we do 3.5 miles divided by 5, 3.5 divided by 5 is 0.7. There's 0.7, now that's miles per minute. So 0.7 times 60 will equal 42 miles an hour. Right, a triangle base is 9 and a perpendicular height. Work out the area. So half base height equals half times 9 times 5.6. 0.5 times 9 times 5.6 is 25.2. 25.2. Okay. 4 positive whole numbers add up to 37. One of the numbers is a multiple of 7, the other three numbers are equal. So, if I take 36 and take away the 7, I will equal 29. Can I divide that by 3? No. So that's not right. So if I take away 36 and take away 14, I get 112. I've got 12. Can I divide that by 3? Yes. So the answer is going to be, the other three numbers are equal, which is 4. So I'm going to get 4, 4, 4, and 14. So 3 4s are 42. Oh, no. Oh, I've done something fundamentally. 3 4s are 12. Where did I get? I can't divide by 3. I'm so sorry today, people. Not on it, but not on the ball, yeah? So can I divide that by 3? No. So let's do 36 take away 21, which equals 15. Yes, I can divide that by 3. So the answer is going to be 21, and divide that by 3, 5, 5, and 5. Yes, 21, 31, 36. A sketch of the triangle ABC is shown in the space below. Complete an accurate drawing of ABC. Right. So you imagine A to B is 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters. Right. Then you get your protractor and you measure. So you're going to get your protractor here. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. And you measure 37 degrees. Just keep going as far as you want. Yeah. Keep going as far. So you've measured that to be 37 degrees. Then you get your ruler and you go up there until you get 8 centimeters, and then join the two together. Simplify 7 minus 3x minus 2x. Okay, let's get rid of the brackets. So I'll have 7x minus 3x plus 2x. Change the sign, minusy minusy. So that's 4x, 6x altogether. One number 17. Right. A competition took place in 1983. It takes place every 6 years. Circle the year which it will also take place. Ooh, we're going to add 6 years. So 1983. Add 6 onto that will be 89. Add 6 onto that will be 95. Now, add 6 onto that will be 101. Yeah, so that would be 2001. There must be a quicker way to do this because we're going to go right up to 80. Circle the year which will also have. So 20 and 7. 6 and so it's 2013, 2019, 2025, 2031, 2037, 2043, and 2049. 2049. 23 missed it, 36 missed it, not going that far. In an election, there are 4 candidates, J, K, L, and M. Fran is drawing a pie chart. J and K have been drawn. Twice as many people voted for L as voted for M. Okay, so everything adds up to 360. So take away that and that, which is 90. It's 162. Take away 162. So 360, take away 162 is 198. Now, that's what we got to play with, 198 over there. Twice as many people voted for L as voted for M. So take your 198 and divide it by 3. Yeah, 198, divide that by 3. That's 66. So m can be 66, and twice that is 132. And that makes 198. So this is M and L. Altogether, 16,200 people voted for. How many voted for J? Right, J. J is 72 degrees. J is 72 degrees. Write that down so I don't forget. Right. So you've got 1,600. Divide that by 360, and you'll find how many people per degree. So 16200 divided by 360 equals, so it's 45 people per degree, and I got 72 degrees, so 72 times 45 is 3240. 3240. How are we doing with that? Yeah. Right, the probability that an outcome of an experiment is 0.2. Circle the probability that A is not the outcome. Oh, 0.8. 0.8. 21. Rearrange E equals 2F to make F the subject. That's just going to be E divided by 2. Have we got that? E divided by 2. E divided by 2. Here's a rule for a sequence. After the first two terms, each term is half the sum of the previous two terms. Show that the sixth term is with. Alright, so the first two terms, each term is half the sum of the previous two terms. So 2 and 10 make 12. Half of 12 is 6. 10 and 6 make 16. Half of that is 8. 6 and 8 make 14. Half of that is 7. 8 and 7 make 15. Half of that is 7.5. A different sequence follows the same rule. The first term is 4, the third term is 9.5. So we've got 4 plus x divided by 2 equals 9.5. So 4 plus x equals 2 times that, which is 19. So x is 9 take away 4, which is, I would imagine, is 15. It's 22b is 15. How do we get right? Yeah, we did that. We did that. Okay. 23. In a group of 20 people, 7 own a dog and 3 own a cat. 12 do not own a dog or a cat. So they make 2 go. Oh, 12 outside area. Criticism number 2. What can we have to? There's nothing in the middle. Hang on, 12 and 7 is 19 and 3. Oh, the totals are wrong. Yeah? Oh, numbers don't add to 20. Yeah? 12 and that, 22. So somebody's got to be in the middle there that they forgot. A is a common factor of 72 and 120. B is a common multiple of 6 and 9. Right. So work out the highest possible value of A divided by B. So this has got to be the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9. So 12, 18, 18. So B has got to be 18, the lowest common. Now, if that's the lowest, that's got to be the biggest factor of 72 and 120. The biggest factor of 72 and 120. So 72 and 120. What's the biggest number that goes into there? 1 and 72. 1 and 120. 2 and 60. I'm just looking at a number that might go into 72 as well. 36 looks good. 3 and 40. No. 4 and 30. Yeah. We've got some more missing in the middle. 5 and 24. Need a bit more space for that, don't I? 30, 40, 60, 120. So 30, 40, 60, 120. So 4 30s, 5, 10 times 12, 5 times 24, 6 times 20, 7, 8 times 20 divided by 8, 8 times 15, and 10 times 12. Still didn't fit it all in there. So what's that? It's 24. 24. That go into that? 3 times 24 is 72. Yeah? So there's 2 times 36. 3 times 24. So the biggest one there is going to be 24. Don't need to do the other ones. 24. So A equals 24. So I reckon that we've got so we've got an answer that should be 24 divided by 18, which is 24 divided by 18. 4 over 3. Yeah. 4 over 3. Or 1 1/3. A and B are similar shapes. An enlargement with 1.5. Work out the values H and W. 1.5. So the angle. Hang on. We go work X. X. So X is always 54. That doesn't change. That H is 1.5 times that, so that's 7.5. And W is 1.5 into that, which is 6. A student saves £150 a month for 2 years, 2.5% interest to the amount saved. Okay, investment A. So 150 times 24 equals 150 times 24 equals 3600. Let's do 2.5% of that times 2.5% times 2.5 divided by 100 is £90. So add these two together and we get 3690. Right, this one, number B, 3500, compound interest added to 3% per year, so 1.03 and 2 years. So we got 3500 times 1.03, 2 years equals 3713. 3713.15. How much more is investment B worth than A? So 3713.15 minus 3690 equals minus 3690. £23.15. £23.15 on question number 6. £23.15. Show that y equals 3x plus 7 and 2y plus 6x equals 8 are parallel. Okay, so first of all, y equals 3x plus 7. Rearrange this. 2y equals 6x plus 8. Divide by 2, so y equals 3x plus 4. This one and this one, 3 is gradient. The same. So, parallel. In a point above, is the point 5, 6 above, below, or on the line? You must show you're working. So we've got an x and y going on here. So what can we do with this? An x and a y. So we could do above or below the line. So we need to find out the that is the intercept, yeah. So do we so if we compare the gradient with this, so if we do the y, so if we go minus, so the gradient, yeah, the gradient is a change in y over the change in x. Now the change in y is going to go from there to where? There's the intercept. So that would be from minus 6 to 0, yeah? And the change in x is minus 5 to 7. So this is going to be 6 over 12, which equals 0.5. Changing y. Oh, I've done the x and y's the wrong way around. Hang on. Changing y, which is 6 to 0. Minus 5. Changing y. I've got the y's and the x's. Hang on. Yeah, I'm on the right sort of thing of a jiggy. Yeah, let's have a look. So let's have a look at these 2 points. What we've got here. We've got this point here, which is minus 5, minus 6. And we've got another point there at the intercept, which is the y-intercept is 0 and 5. So the change in y is 13. So the change in y is 13 and the change in x is 5. So 13 divided by 5 is 2.6. So the gradient of this is 2.6. So it's not as steep. So now what do we do? So we've got the gradient is 2.6. So if we've got the gradient as 2.6 and the intercept is the same, then you'd have that first line going like that and the second line going like that. Aye, this is a complicated question here. So we've got a gradient of 2.6, right? So what can we do with this 2.6 now that we've got it? So if the gradient is 2.6, why is that? So then, do I take this gradient and put it in here to find out what the new intercept is? I don't know. Do I do that? If I go y, hang on. So do I go minus 6 equals 2.6 times minus 5 plus c? Is this going to be right? 2.6 times minus 5 is minus 13. So we've got minus 6 equals minus 13 plus c. So add 13. So minus 6 add 13 is 7. 7 equals c. So it's the same intercept. Is the 0.56 allowed? Minus 5 minus 6. Above. I'm not sure on that one. Whoa. Not sure on that one. Okay. Maybe a little bit of help on that one, please. Yeah. The cost of a ticket increases by 10% to 109. So this is 110%. So if we take 1925 divided by 110 times 100, we'll find out what the original price is. 19.25 divided by 110 times 100 is £17.50. The nth term of a sequence is 12n minus 5. Work out the numbers in the sequence that have 2 digits and are not prime. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know how many we've got to do here. So 12 times 1, the sequence number, is 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 times 2 is 24 minus 5 is 19. 36 minus 5 is 31. 48 minus 5 is 43. 60 minus 5 is 55. 72 minus 5 is 67. 84 minus 5 is 81. Right, work out the numbers in the sequence that have 2 digits and are not prime. Oh, can we do an 8 as well? 12 eights are 96 minus 5 and no. Let's do 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72, 7 12s are 80, 84, that's not right, is it? 81. 5 12s are 60, 72, 84, take away 5 is 79. 8 12s are 96, take away 5 is 91. 9 12s are 108, take away 5 is 103. So too big. So 2 digits. There, 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 there. Not prime. 2 digits that are not prime. This one. What other number's not prime? Sure. What other number's not? Oh, that's not. Yeah, that's 55. What is that? Does that divide by anything? 91 divided by 7? It's 13. Oh, I didn't know it. 13 times table. So it's 55 and 91. Right. A is that, B is that, C is that. Column vectors. Work out A plus B plus C. Right, so 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus 4 is minus 9. And minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8. Plus 7 is minus 1. Is that right? Minus 1? 1 minus 1? Oh. Where did I get 9 from? Bonkers. I don't do very well on this one today. 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1. Alright, A plus 2C equals KB, where K is an integer. Okay. Alright, so A is 6 minus 10. And 2C, there's a C. So double that is minus 8, 14. Equals something times B. B, there, minus 1, 2. Something times B, right. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 10 and 14 is 4. Right, so that equals something times that. 2. Yeah, 2. So that's just 2. So K equals 2. There. Right, so there's quite a few there that made me think. One of them, really not sure on one of them, which was, yeah, that was okay. Yeah, that had measured that one. Yeah, that was stupid. Oh yeah, this one. That's just too many numbers in that one. Too many numbers. It's alright. That was alright. remember which is the other one. Which one? Yeah. Alright. That was okay. Oh, that one. Yeah. Above or below, 27B. Didn't really get the hang of that one. But anyway, how about subscribing to the channel? That would be good, wouldn't it? Hey, come along. There's no paper, no 2019s yet, so don't ask for them. Make a comment, especially help me out on those funny questions that I couldn't do. Annoyed. No one know what the answer is. The answer was above or something, or below or sideways or whatever. But anyway, like, thumbs up, say you've watched it, and there's links down below to watch lovely videos. I'm going through all the exam boards, so I know this took a long time, 50 odd minutes, my god, only get an hour and a half. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.